Alright, someone's gonna need to explain this to me. When I wear shoes like this on a regular basis, people get mad at me. You have all these nice shoes and you don't even wear your nice shoes. Why do you wear these? But then, when I wear shoes like this, another group of people gets mad at me saying, why are you wearing these? You're gonna ruin them in the winter. Don't want me to wear the so-called bad shoes. Don't want me to wear the so-called good shoes. I think I might just need to go bare feet. Hey guys, what is up? How is everyone doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are feeling amazing. Thank you as always for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoy the content. It does go a huge way in helping out the channel. And follow me on Instagram at Tom Stefaniuk, just like you see right there. That goes a long way to helping out the channel too. First things first on the agenda for today though, we are selling another pair of shoes, which I was a little bit hesitant to get rid of because they are classic and they are amazing and I really do like them. But on the quest to narrow down my collection to only 55 pairs, we need to get rid of these, the Bred 13s. I'm selling them for like, what did I pay for them? I think I paid $170 for them. And I'm selling them for $200, so I'm getting a good deal on them. I'm making some money. It's always a tough situation to sell shoes like this that you really like and are classic Jordan models. But I honestly think I get more satisfaction out of the sneakers I do own when it's a select few group of sneakers that I love instead of just a lot of sneakers that I like. Plus, I'm really running out of room in my closet to have sneaker boxes, so we needed to get rid of these. Jordan 13 Breds, you've been appreciated, you've been loved. I'll see you guys later. And as soon as I get rid of one pair of sneakers, I inevitably bring two more sneakers over from the never-ending sneaker pile over at my dad's place. Do you guys remember these? These shoes are sick, but they have to be one of the dumbest things I've ever spent money on in my sneaker buying career, if you want to call it that. It is a Jordan pack, a DMP pack, that cost me $678 after tax. And I mean, the shoes are dope, especially these 13s. These 13s are absolutely amazing. And next time I win a Grammy, I'm definitely going to wear these because these just were made to wear on a red carpet, if you ask me. And they're a really nice pair of shoes. And then the 14s, pretty dope pair of shoes as well. I'll be honest, I don't like these as much as I like the 13s, but I mean, still a pretty nice pair of shoes. I'm just not a massive fan of Jordan 14s. But did I need to spend $336 a piece on these? $337, $338, whatever it is? No. That is an absurd amount of money. That is absolutely ridiculous. And I bought these like 2 years ago. And as you can see, yep, absolutely 100% brand new. Not the smartest $678 that I've ever spent on a pair of shoes. I don't even know what the resale value is for these. Like maybe I could get $400 for the pack. $450, we're talking Canadian dollars, of course, not US dollars. But it's gonna be nowhere near the $678 that I originally spent on this. I mean, end of the day, the video got like 100,000 views. So I'm not complaining. I made my money back on the pack already. But wow, just dumb. So while I was out going to my dad's to pick up the DMP Jordan pack, I actually stopped by the mall as well and picked up not one, but two pairs of sneakers. One I'm excited about and one I am ecstatic about. Now the best part about this is that I got these for a total, you're not gonna believe this, but I got these two pairs of shoes for a total of $60 and suggested retail on them overall should have been $200. So I got them, what is that? That is 70% off retail, which is amazing when you think about it. Now the first one right here, I got good news for you. I am going to keep this pair, but they had a full size run at the Nike store, so I'm giving away another pair of these because they were just too cheap to pass up. These were marked at $99.97 on sale. The regular Canadian retail price is $145. They're marked at $99.97 on sale, 30% off of that, $70, and then I had a $25 coupon. So it was down from 70 to 45, and I switched then to US dollars. That is around 35 US dollars, maybe even like 33 US dollars. Just an amazing price for this crazy pair of Nike Huarache runs. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, except I'm like 99% sure that this is an OG colorway of the Nike Huarache run. These things are great, super cheap, Super simple, $33 for this pair of shoes, and I have an extra Nike coupon, so I'm gonna give away a pair of these to you. So if you guys wanna win this pair of shoes, literally all you need to do is give me a follow on Instagram at Tom Stefaniak. There's gonna be a link in the description, or you can just type it up on your phone like you see on the screen. Give me a follow over there, comment on any of my recent posts that you wanna win this pair of shoes and your shoe size, and then after, let's say, 3 days, I'll pick a winner, announce it on my Instagram, and you guys can win a pair of these in your size, because they had like 40 pairs of these at the Nike outlet in every single size for free, no matter where you live in the world. I do think this is a sick pair of shoes though. This bright electric green, this aqua blue, this white, the black, and add to that the fact that it's a classic model from Nike. These do fit a little bit tight, so I would recommend going a half size up, maybe even a full size up. These are a size 13 and they fit me like a 12 normally would. I have I have 3 other pairs of Huarache, so this is my 4th pair, and it's just a really loud, nice, fun summer and spring shoe. Probably nothing that'll break out in the winter, but you know, a nice casual summer day, walking around, spending some time outside, this will definitely do, and especially for the price of $33. I mean, how can you go wrong for $33? That's nuts. These ones I bought from a store called Winners, which is essentially like a Marshalls or a Ross, except I believe it is Canadian only. I might be mistaken. If you guys have Winners in America, let me know. But I bought these for the exact same price, a little bit more expensive, around like $36, but essentially the same price. A few dollars more expensive, but these things are amazing. They didn't come in a box, and this is a shoe you probably never expect to see, but it is a pair of Fila Retros. What? These things are amazing. Now I'll give it to you, this raspberry color is not the most attractive of colors. I would have preferred a white black, or a white and navy, or a white black and navy, or a white and red, or something classic, something 90s like that. But this classic Fila basketball model, I don't know who wore these. I don't know if Grant Hill wore these. I don't know if Jerry Stackhouse wore these. I don't know if another athlete from the 90s wore these, but to see a basketball retro from Fila sitting there for $37, I love retro sneakers like this, and I was so excited. Now realistically, let's be 100% honest. I'm probably never gonna wear these. They're probably gonna sit in my closet for 3 years, and I'm gonna be like, oh, I still have these. And then I'm gonna, you know, get rid of them or give them to a friend or something like that. But while I have them right now, I'm ridiculously excited to pick these up. You know, even if I never wear these, I'm gonna try and make a point to wear these, but even if I never wear these, just the excitement of picking these up and being able to share them with you guys makes it 100% worth it in my mind, because you don't see retro shoes like this every day. So many people are on the, oh, what's hype, what's new, what's the newest sneaker we can buy. They don't spend much time paying attention to stuff like this, and I think this is dope. Now, it's nothing special. The materials are pretty average. They're what you'd expect for a shoe that retails for $100, but they're not bad. I mean, it's a decent quality. It's something you get on a regular Nike release. So I think this is a sick pair of shoes, and I'm super happy that I was able to come across these in the outlet. I don't know what the name of these is. If you guys are aware what the name of these is, do some research. Let me know down in the comment section below, because I would love to know what the name of these is to see if I could track down a pair in a better colorway. Like a white and black pair of these I would wear all the time. A white and gray pair of these I would wear all the time. White and navy, I'd wear them all the time. White and red, I might never take them off my feet. So let me know if you guys are aware of the model name of this. Some of my OG heads watching the video, please let me know. I'd appreciate it. But that being said, let's stop talking and take a couple seconds to take some close-up looks at these shoes. Are the shoes that we picked up today. Make sure to let me know what you think of them down in the comment section below, and make sure to follow me on Instagram at Tom Stefaniak to be entered into the giveaway to win that pair of awesome Nike sneakers. But before we head out, I do need to give a big shout out to today's sponsor. As always, every single week, supporting the channel, supporting what I do, Rose Gold and Black. Now, Rose Gold and Black, for you guys that don't know, is an awesome jewelry company. They sell men's jewelry from bracelets to necklaces to chains to a whole bunch of different stuff. Leather bracelets, bead bracelets, metal, gold, silver, all of that awesome stuff is available on their website. Now, they support the channel, which means a lot to me because they make it possible to do all of the stuff that you see on this channel, going to New York, buying sneakers, having fun with you guys every single day. So since they support me, you guys should definitely go support them with the link in the description. The link in the description is a specialized link just for you guys where everything on the site is 25% off. No code necessary, just use the link. This bracelet that I'm wearing here today is from their site. It is awesome. I've had it for probably around 3 months by now, and I love it periodically, and I actually really like the way it looks. The packaging is awesome as well. It comes in this pull-out box with this leather case for every single piece that you buy that I think is a really, really cool touch. So once again, shout out to Rose Gold and Black for sponsoring today's video. I appreciate them and I appreciate you guys. So since they support me, go support them. That being said, I do need to get going. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching today. Make sure to hit that like button if you haven't already. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Have a great rest of your day. You guys are the absolute best. And until tomorrow, peace.